In my last video, I worked on trying to recreate the force. But while working on that video, it caused me to think of depth and how it's used in photography and film. As defined by Merriam-Webster, depth is a part that is far from the outside or surface, or the quality of being deep. In photography and film, depth shows the audience how far something is, how big or small something is, and offers a sense of place. We all recognize this opening scene from the original 1977 Star Wars film. Here we can see that depth gives these two ships a sense of size and distance. Leia's ship, the Tantive 4, is far smaller and not as fast as the huge Star Destroyer behind it. Let's look at another clip. In this scene from The Lord of the Rings: The Fellowship of the Ring, depth is used to illustrate the distance between the ring and Frodo and show tension. Much like the opening scene of Star Wars, the depth of this scene is meant to show the importance of what's happening. What's interesting about these scenes is how they use the film technique of forced perspective. Forced perspective is an optical illusion to trick our mind into thinking that something is closer or farther away, bigger or smaller than it actually is. In the original Star Wars, forced perspective is used to make these starships models seem larger than life. The ring is a foot long in this Lord of the Rings scene. Here's another example of forced perspective in motion from The Fellowship of the Ring. What is great about this scene is how Frodo appears smaller than Gandalf at this table while the camera moves. A hard shot to pull off. The way it's done is that the table here isn't a full table. There's a section cut out of it and a pulley system that moves Gandalf while the camera moves. This helps to reinforce the illusion. While the camera moves with motion control, the table moves too. This allows for the illusion to work at any angle if done correctly. This being said, I wanted to find ways to make my own forced perspective shots. Here's what I came up with. Sadly, this didn't have the same effect I was looking for. With some editing, I might have been able to even out the lighting and film from another angle. But for my next video, I have an idea of how to improve this technique. If you're excited to see what I have planned, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as for future notifications, don't forget to hit that bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.